morning. Welcome to maths class. Second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. We are already completed all concepts, the process of addition. Today I am going to revise chapter revision. Chapter revision means what are the concepts you learn in this chapter. First of all, addition. We are going to combine two or more numbers together. That is called addition. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total or sum. One digit numbers, 3 lines. 3 lines means 3 numbers like this. 4 plus 5 plus 3. This is 3 lines. First we are going to add these two numbers, then go to third number. If suppose addition is given like this, 5 plus 2 plus 5. See, here also add these two numbers, then go to this number. If in the 3 lines addition, any two numbers is added by 10, we get the sum 10 after adding. See here, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Easy way. Here no chance. 4 plus 3, 5 plus 3 or 4 plus 5, no 10. That's why adding these two numbers and then go to third number. Here 5 and 5 make 10. 10 and 2, 12. Okay na? 5 and 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. This is easy way. This is going to single digit numbers, 3 lines. In the same way, 2 digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping, 2 lines. First number, second number. In the same way, 2 digit numbers, 3 lines without regrouping, with regrouping. Okay? Without, first I am going to show without regrouping. 53 plus 42. Addition start from ones place. Then go to tens. Ones place having 3 and 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. Write in the ones place. Now adding tens. 5 plus 4. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get the total 95. This is going to 2 digit 2 lines without regrouping. Without regrouping means after adding ones we get only single digit number. Now I am going to show with regrouping. 58 plus 37. Ones place, tens place. The process starts from ones. Take 8 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2 digit number. Right side, split the number means ones number ones place, tens number carry forward. These are ones. Write 5 in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. In the regrouping addition, we have to add carried number also. Don't forget the carried number. Here carried number is 1. Sometimes 2 also comes. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 95. 2 digit numbers, 2 lines with regrouping. With regrouping means after adding ones we get 2 digit number. We split the number. Write ones place number ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. And here addition of carry forward number and first number and second number. Here we have to add 3 numbers. Another one. 2 digit numbers. 3 lines without regrouping, with regrouping. 33 plus 21 plus 14. 2 digit numbers. Ones place, tens place. Adding ones first. That is the rule in the addition. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now adding tens. 3 plus 2. Yes, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 68. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next adding tens, write in the tens place. Another with regrouping. 28 plus 16 plus 45. Here also start from ones. Start from here. Ones place, tens place. 8 fingers. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 9 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 89. 28 plus 16 plus 45. The total is 89. The result of addition. Adding ones, we get 2-digit number. Right side. Split the number. That means ones place number ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. This is going to 2-digit number 3 lines without regrouping, with regrouping. Okay, next one. We add, if we add 0 to a number, we get the same number itself. See, 16 plus 0. 0 plus 27. What is the answer? Not 0. Same number. 7 plus 0 or 0 plus 48. See. 7 plus 0 not 0. 7. 0 plus 48. 48. 0 plus 27. 27. 6 plus 16 plus 0. 16. Number plus 0. The number itself. That is the rule. Addition fact. Number plus 0 or 0 plus number itself. Another one. Number plus 1. If we add 1 to a number, what is the answer? 1 plus 14. 56 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 1 plus 89. Now, come on, find the total. 1 plus 14. Next number of 14. After number of 14. 50. 56 plus 1. After 56. 57. Very good. 10 plus 1. 11. 1 plus 89. 89 after 90. Number plus 1. The next number of the given number. These are the concepts you learned in this chapter. Today we are going to, in our textbook part, chapter revision. Chapter revision. Chapter revision. Page number 37. You also take your textbook, watch the video carefully and write the textbook. Ready? First one. Choose the correct answer. First one goes to 18 plus 22 is same as. The options are goes to 41. Second option 40. Third option C 42. Option D 43. I wrote down now. 43. These are the given options. We are going to choose the correct answer. Okay? Come on, see. 18 plus 22. What is the here? We need to find out total. Plus means addition. That means 18 plus 22. See. 18 plus 22. Do rough work aside. 8 plus 2. 10. 2 digit number. 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. What is the number? 40. Which option is suitable for that? Here given number name. We get the number name 40. What is the number name of 40? Yes, B. B is correct. 18 plus 22 is same as F-O-R-T-Y. Go to second one. Are you understood? Come on, second one. Which two digits can be combined for easier addition in 4 plus 2 plus 6? Which two digits can be combined for easier addition in 4 plus 2 plus 6? This is the given addition. Which two numbers are going to combine fast? Addition is easy. Come on, tell me. 4 and 2 na? 2 and 6 are? 6 and 4 are. Which two numbers are going to combine? The addition becomes easy. Options are given 4 and 2. 4 and 6. C. 2 and 6. D goes to, no, only A, B, C only given. Which two numbers are going to combine? The addition is going to easy. 4 plus 2, 4 and 2 na? 4 and 6 are? 2 and 6 are. Yes, 4 and 6. Why? 4 and 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Option B is correct. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next one, third question. 22 plus 33 plus, see the question, Nana? 22 plus 33 plus 27. This is the given addition. Given the digit. Given the digit dash in the tens place. In the tens place. Come on. What is the given question? See, the options goes to 9, 7, 8. D is 6. See here, question is addition. 22 plus 33 plus 27. Given the digit dash in the tens place. In this addition, what is the tens place number? Addition means find the total first. Write these numbers aside. 22, 33 plus 27. Now find the total. 7, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 3, 10. Very good. These two numbers are adding. We get 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. What is the tens place number? We get total 82. Ones place, tens place. What is the tens place number? 8. Where is 8? C. Option C is correct. After adding the numbers, we get 82. 8 is in the tens place. Next one. Match the following. Match the following. We are going to do matching. Column A, column B. Group A, group B. C. Column A and column B. What are the questions given? Yes, 50 plus 30. Second one, 20 plus 21 plus 25. Third one, 7 plus 8 plus 2. Fourth one, 95. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 F-I-E-5. Fifth one, 1 plus 29. These are the given. Yes, below column A. Now column B. 48 plus 10 plus 37. 70 30 PHIRTY. Next 35 plus 21 plus 20. Next 8 tens. Okay na? We are going to match with A to B. This is column A, that is column B. We are going to do matching. See how to do. What is the first one? 50 plus 30. What is the total 50 plus 30? 50 means 5 times, 30 means 3 times. Then do rough work. 50 plus 30. Easy way goes to 0. 5 plus 3 8. 80. Here 80 is there. 8 times is there. That means 50 means 5 times. 3 means 3 times. 5 and 3 make 8. The answer goes to 8 times. This is going to 1. 50 plus 30 equal to 8 times. 80. 80 means 8 times. Next 20 plus 21 plus 25. Find the total first. 20 plus 21 plus 25. Do rough work aside. What is the numbers? 20, 21, 25. Find the total. Yes? No need. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. We get the answer 66. But here no 66. Here going to the addition given in. Come on, see. Which is the answer? Come on. See in the reverse order. The 20 middle number, first number. 20, 21 and 26. Here also we write not 35. Here correct it. 25. Verifying addition. The 20 first number. See here we wrote no. I am going to write 25 goes to first number. 21 middle number. 20 first number. It is verifying addition. Same answer we get. Okay? 20 plus 21 plus 25. Verifying addition means 25 plus 21 plus 20. This is going to 2. Understood? You have to check this number and correct this number. They given 35. 35 strike off and write 35. Next 25. Next 7 plus 8 plus 2. 7 plus 8 plus which two numbers are combined first? Addition is easy. Come on. 7 and 8 8 and 2 na? 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 7 17. Very good. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 7 17. This is going to 3. Next 95. 95. It is 30. Then we get 95. I think here. Okay, we are going to check that one also. Yes. See, 4 tens, 5 tens, 50 plus 3 tens. Yes, 80. Come on, add these numbers. 48 plus 10 plus 37. Come on, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 95. 95 is the total of this addition. Okay, next 1 plus 29, number plus, yes, 1 plus number, that means what comes after 29? 30. This is going to 5. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number, next number of the given number. Here given number is 29. 29 after 30. This is going to matching. See first one. 50 plus 30 goes to 8 tens. Why? 50 means 5 tens. 30 means 3 tens. 5 and 3 make 8. That means 8 tens. Second one, 20 plus 21 plus 25. This is the given addition. The answer goes goes to verifying addition. Here number is given 35. You write that number. Correct it. 25 plus 21 plus 20. Verifying addition concept. Next, 7 plus 8 plus 2. Here we combine these two numbers first. Then addition goes to easier. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Next, 95. 95. Here these two answers are remaining. 30 is not answered. When we are 95 means the total. We get the total of this addition. That is going to 4. 1 plus 29. 1 plus 1 number plus 1. Next number means 29 after 30. Are you understood? Okay. You also follow me and watch the video and write in your textbook correctly. Next, Roman C. Regroup and add. Regroup and add. Already you learned these all concepts. First one, 59 plus 6. You do yourself, no problem. Come on, try it. Second one, 6 plus 6 plus 6. Find the answer for each one. Third one, tens and ones. 37 plus 37. What is the third number? 10. Come on. Fourth one, 49 plus 17. Come on, do yourself, Nana. Come on, try. Yes. 9 plus 6, 15. Very good. Is it regroup without regroup or group with grouping? Yes, with regroup. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 5, 6. Here no tens number. That's why write 6. What is the total? 65. I come to here. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Only once. 6 plus 6, 12. Very good. 12 plus 6, 18. 1 10 and 8 ones. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Now go to that one. 37 plus 37 plus 10. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 right here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 84. You also get 84 only. Very good. Here 18. Here 65. Now come down. 49 plus 17. Fourth one. Adding ones. 9 plus 7, 16. Very good. 6 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. All are going to with regrouping. With regrouping means carry forward. Carrying concept. We write ones place number ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place. Understood, my dear children? We continue Roman D, Roman E, Roman F tomorrow's class and learn tables 2 to 10. Already I give you table of 8. Okay? Okay, you learn up to 8 only. 2 table to 8 table and properties, additions. And whatever notes I sent through WhatsApp, you write in your classwork